From Aliexpress for $7 you can get this tool, and it comes in three colors: red with black, all black, and red with orange. And they have a video also where they are showing that the tool is working great. He's testing some stuff. And what is it? It's a clamp meter, ANENG ST170 multimeter, digital multimeter, electrical voltage test, kit, amp, resistance, ohms, capacitance tools. And you can get whatever color you want. I ordered this one. It's orange with red, and waited a couple of weeks and I got it. I can't believe it, seriously. They sent this without bubbles. Oh. Digital clamp meter, ANENG ST170. You can test DC currents, DC voltages, AC voltages, amperes for AC, ohms, continuity, diodes, hold button, and signal for low battery. And it says that I got yellow. Alright. And yes, yellow with red. This one is not yellow, it's orange. Probes and the instruction manual. I need to read this. Alright. Nice. I can't do the 360 with my solar turntable because it's too heavy. Let's see what it says in description. This instrument performs AC and DC voltage tests, AC current, resistance, diodes, non-contact voltage, and well as capacitance. Model is ST170. Display with 1999 counts. AC voltage can measure from with selection of 20 or 600 volts, DC voltage 20 or 600 volts, AC current 2 amperes or 200 amperes with 500 amperes shown with okay, resistance 200 kilo ohms with selection of 20 mega ohms, and capacitance 200 microfarads. Alright, let's put some battery. Oh, I don't need a screwdriver. What it says? 2 AAA batteries. I'm gonna use my rechargeable AAA batteries that I got recently, and they are lithium batteries with Type-C connector for charging, and I can charge them, all 4 of them in the same time, using this weird USB cable. Alright, also for the clamp meter and for the rechargeable batteries, and all products that you will see in this video will be in description below. The links will be in description below, so you can check it. Just to check that they are alright, I measure with my other multimeter, which is also rechargeable. What it says, 1.54. Let's grab another one. How much? 1.51. Perfect. I need only 2. This way. And this way. Okay. It's not turned on because it's on off with this selector. Oh, beep. Okay, Let me tell you some stuff about this clamp meter. Turning on. Right now is on the continuity and diode test. By the way, the screen is not with a backlight. We have a hold button, and this button, if you hold it, it will activate the front light or flashlight. Turning off. This button is select, so you can choose diode continuity between selection. Okay, does it go smooth? Yes, and I like that beep beep sound because it indicates that I select new function. Okay, so we have first is the continuity and the diode test. Second, we have the resistance, or for checking resistors. Can I select? Nope. On this one, 20 megohms. If I hold it, nope. Okay. Next is capacitance. It says 200 microfarads. We're gonna check that later. Here we have a selection of 20 volts DC voltage. Next is 600 volts DC voltage measurement, and this one is 2 amperes for measuring current for AC voltages, 200 amperes and 500 amperes, and this one is not contact voltage detector. Alright, also together in the package we got some probes that can be attached right here, and let's measure something. But before that, this is my coffee page where you can support me with coffee and support the channel and support electronics and support whatever I am doing right now. Thank you for that. And my latest supporters are Monsieur, sorry if I pronounce wrong. He wrote, keep up with the good work. Thank you, sir, for the coffee. It means a lot for me. Also thanks to all of you who already sent me a coffee, like Razdin, Grant, who is monthly, send me one coffee. Tom, he wrote, I love your videos. Thank you, Tom. Adrian Arts, Joff, Eagle Eye, Razel, Louis Peck, Ed Milson, a lot of them who support my channel. Thank you, guys. And if you want to support my channel, just visit the link in description below. Thank you. Okay, this is live wire, 220 volts, and take a look. From maybe 20 centimeters is peaking. This is great. Non-contact voltage. Love it. Okay. Oh, I didn't see very well. This yellow indicators or function is for measuring DC voltage and AC voltage. 20 volts, 600 volts. And these white selections or functions are for measuring the current. 2 amperes, 200 amperes, 500 amperes. So if we want to measure AC voltage or DC voltage, you need to select 600 or 20. Let's go with 600 and measure. By the way, these are cheap probes that comes together with the probe. Alright. Let's hook up. Come on, man, it's a mess. And when you select AC or DC voltage, you need to change it with this button for measuring AC voltage or DC voltage. It's not auto. AC voltage, and right now the probes are hooked up on the power cable, reads 234 volts. Alright. I'm gonna compare it with my multimeter Zoe here, and it's set on the measuring for DC voltages. I'm sending 3.3 volts. On the clamp meter you see 3.35. On this one 3.339. Let's increase the voltage a little bit to, let's say, 9.3 volts. The clamp meter 9.3, 9.3. Let's go up, let's say, to how much? 17 volts exactly. 17.1, 17.023. And it's pretty good. Love it. And it doesn't have a holder because it's meant to hold in your hand. It's a clamp meter. Okay, I have select measuring of capacitance, and let's measure this 47 microfarads electrolytic capacitor, and it reads 49.5. Okay, now I'm gonna select, this one is 100 microfarads. Let's measure. Wait, 109 microfarads. And here I have 220 microfarads, and let's see what it will read. Whoa. Waiting, over range. Okay, let's change it to resistance. Let's go to 200 kilo ohms. This is 47 kilo ohms, I think. 46.3, alright. And this one is 100 kilo ohms. 98.9. Perfect. Let's switch to continuity and check how fast is beeping. Take a look. It's fast. The resistance 0.4 ohms. It's nice. Okay, right now I'm gonna change to it was to continuity. I'm gonna change it to diode. Here I have a Schottky diode, and let's measure that. The voltage drop 0.17, and from the other side 0.17. The other way not working. Beautiful. So far so good. The last thing that I will test is the clamp meter. Let's do that. And for those who for the first time seeing how to measure AC current using a clamp meter, first you need to know which one is live wire. In my case this is this brown wire, and I need to select AC current right here. You can choose 2 amperes or 200 amperes, and just place it on the wire. And this is my heat gun. It's with 1 kilowatt or 2 kilowatt heating, and right now it's on 1 kilowatt and it's pulling 3.8 amperes. I'm gonna go with the second speed, 2 kilowatts, and 7.7 amperes. Alright. Removing, no measuring. Beautiful. So, does it worth for the money? Yes. For 7, in my case that I paid $10 US for the color, it worth it because it have the basic measurements like DC, AC voltage. You can measure capacitance, resistance, diode continuity test, and non-contact voltage. It have a flashlight and the clamp meter for measuring AC current with 2 AAA batteries, powered on, And this is nice. I love it. The link will be in description below so you can check it. That was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya tomorrow. And yes, you can operate with one hand.